In this video, we're going over how to unlock your Samsung Galaxy A51 so you can use it with any carrier. Hey everyone, thank you for joining us today. If you want to stay up to date on all the mobile technology coming out and learn cool tips, tricks, and hidden features, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and tap the bell to turn on post notifications so you'll be alerted every time we post new videos. Today we're going to walk you through how to unlock your Samsung Galaxy A51 so you can use it with any carrier. The first thing you need to do is go to the settings and swipe up until you get to About Phone. And right next to IMEI, you're going to write down this number here. You're going to need that number for later on in the process. Next, we're going to go home and then go to Google Chrome. And we're going to go to the website, theunlockingcompany.com, and we're just going to fill out a few prompts. So first is going to be the manufacturer, which is Samsung. Second is the model, and you're going to go down to Galaxy A51. Here. Tap Unlock Now. On the next screen, it will ask you some questions about where you purchased the phone, the country, and the carrier specifically. So we'll tap here, select the country and the carrier. In this case, it's going to be Verizon. Click Next. Now for this last screen, you will need to enter contact information so they can send you the unlocking pin and steps to finish the unlock. You're going to enter your IMEI from the first step of the video here. And then down here, you'll see what it will cost to unlock the phone. So normally it's $45, you get a discount, it comes out to $30, and you will get an email within 24 hours with your unlocking instructions. From here, you're going to tap Order Now, check out with a credit card, and then just wait for your email with the final instructions. One thing to point out is that on the main page here, you do have a web support chat on the side here, and you have a toll-free phone number and text number to reach out to in case you have any problems trying to unlock your phone. So one of the reasons I love this site is that they have that live support ready to help, and if they can't unlock your phone, they will refund your money. So that's awesome. Now, once you get that email that has the unlocking instructions, keep in mind the process does change from time to time, so you want to refer that email for the final steps to unlock the phone. I'm going to show you the first thing you'll need to do, which is taking out your old SIM card and putting in your new SIM card. So on the left side of the phone here, you'll find your SIM tray. You will need to go in the box and get your SIM tool to open this up. If you don't have this little tool, no problem. Find a paper clip and just pop it into the side slot there. So you can take out the current SIM card and you can put in your new SIM card. In this case, I'm putting in a T-Mobile SIM card. Okay. Now it will ask you to restart the phone, so make sure you do that. And then from here, you will need to, again, reference the email from the unlocking company with the final instructions on unlocking your phone. And again, if you run into any problems, go to their website, theunlockingcompany.com, and speak to one of their live reps to help you finish the process if you need it. Hope you guys found this helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.